First off, dry pasta is just as good as fresh pasta, depending on what you need it for. So, for tonight's dinner, I'm making fettuccine to go with my piccata sauce. First tip, boil your water before you put the pasta in. Second tip, once the water is boiling, give it a generous amount of salt because it's the only time you will be able to season your actual pasta. Third tip, when you have a long pasta and you don't have a large pasta pot, you do not need to break your pasta in half. Don't do it, y'all. Put the pasta in the pot, let it rest over the edge, give it a few seconds, and it will start to wilt a little bit, it'll start to get soft, and you can just push it down into the water. You don't need to break it at all.
Good point. I didn't even know that.
Tip number 4. Definitely add salt to your pasta water, but do not add oil to your pasta water. People think that helps to keep it from sticking. The only thing that helps it to keep it from sticking is to actually stir it. So once you get that pasta in there, give it a good stir a couple of times and get everything nice and loose. If you put oil in there, it's going to prevent that sauce from sticking as well. It's just going to slide right off. Last couple of things, do not rinse your pasta. Don't put it under water. You're going to rinse off all the starch. Just use it as is. As a matter of fact, try to use a pasta server to transfer your pasta into your sauce so that you still have your pasta water in case you need to thin your sauce out a little bit. And I just gave y'all the last tip. That is always, always combine the pasta and the sauce. Do not put pasta on the plate and then put the sauce on top of it. You want every strand, every whatever cut of pasta you're using to get coated with that delicious sauce you made. And this is the only way to do it.